Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 85H and I'll show you how you can pair them to your Android phone into two ways. The first one and the most fastest, you can use only the Bluetooth settings. So open notification panel, for example, tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth function on your phone, and then you have to grab headphones, rotate them like that. This indicator turns to the green. And in most cases it will also start blinking on the blue, but right now in my case it's not working, so we have to move this headphones to the pairing mode manually. You have to focus on this headset and then click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the blue. Okay, one more time. Yeah, right now they are in the pairing mode. So when you refresh the list, as you can see, they appear right here. So we can tap on them once and accept pairing. Right now we are successfully connected. Next, we are going to use the second method. We have to use the Jabra Sound Plus application. Here it is. So let's install. Right now open, click right here, click skip, and as you can see we are already connected. That's interesting. And also there is some kind of the weird notification about the Jabra service, so let's tap to uninstall. Okay, let's open our application one more time. So here it is. When you download the application and previously when you connect by using the Bluetooth settings, it will be right here connected immediately. So we don't have to connect go further these steps. So yeah, as you can see, we are successfully connected with our Android smartphone to the Jabra Elite 85H. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.